Hello friends, in this particular video we will see certain highlighted things which we have already spoken in our previous 3 videos. In our previous 3 videos we have seen what are the fundamental rights, how is the judiciary, how the court functions, as well as what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Slovenia. Now there are certain things which are really highlighting, and that is welfare of a citizen. There are various provisions made in the constitution as regards the welfare of the citizen of the Slovenia, like right to correction and reply. Now this is a right wherein there is some mistake which has happened in the records of the government. A citizen has a right to file for the correction and get a reply for that. Right to social security, freedom to procreate. So the government is promoting the marriage institution. Disabled person would get work training in accordance with law. Right to use one's language and script. Right to drinking water. So these are some rights which are quite helpful to a citizen of the country. Now as far as the lawyers or attorneys are concerned, even they are given importance. Like judges of constitutional court are elected from legal experts. In judicial council, university law professors, attorneys and other lawyers can also be the members. Supreme Court has a right of supervision and monitoring on the courts which are lower instance courts or courts below it. A citizen is given chance to address his voice, what he thinks about that, and that can be seen especially when 5,000 voters can propose laws, 40,000 voters can request for national referendum, 30,000 voters can initiate proposal to amend constitution. Along with this, even the 30 deputies of National Assembly can request for a referendum in the proposal of constitutional amendments. There is one excellent body called Ombudsman, which is there for the protection of human rights and fundamental freedoms which are given to the citizen of Slovenia. So friends, we hope that you would have enjoyed this particular episode of the glimpses of the Constitution of Slovenia. Thank you very much for giving your valuable time for watching this particular video. Thank you. Namaste.